project update. This is the quad coil 18 that I'm building for Paul in Las Cruces. I had a couple of boo-boos, so I had to do some stuff over. In this case, because the cone only comes down to about here, I was just folding these over, then I'm going to encapsulate with epoxy. I've laid down some Kapton tape to insulate, just to be sure, even though I've made a nice arc on both of these, that it shouldn't touch. It's just a precaution, you know, hedging your bets. So we'll put the cone on this and that'll be it. That'll be done. So he's getting the GONZO cone, which again is only $65 shipped. Oh yeah, on the 15-inch green stitch cones, we went ahead and sold all those. Those are gone. Get them while you can, guys. I don't know what to tell you. In every description I say, get on the GONZO Jr package, the pre-sale. I mean that. So, because when they get here, you're not going to get that same price. I'll finally have enough motors, though, where I won't have to worry about inventory for a while. So, anyways, love you.